I will start this. You don't have to give me 7, 8 anymore because they just want it. Alright. Let's take a look at exercise 17. Now, I believe I have already done question 1 for you. This is correct. Okay, may I know how many dots? What's the value of n for part 3? Question 1. Do you get 29 on the foolscap paper? Okay, good. Now, next. I move on to question number 2. Okay? I go to enlarge it. Okay. All of you look at the question first. Nobody needs to copy anything because there's nothing to copy. This is your textbook. The first 4 figures of a sequence are as shown below. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy and complete the table. Now, figure number so on so forth, right? Then this is number of small squares, right? Okay, sorry, small triangles. So you have this, right? Now they say copy and complete the table. Now, then part 2 says what? Find the number of the small triangles in the 20th figure. Part 3, find the value of n for which the figure has 1, 2, 1 small triangles. And will there be a figure in this sequence that has 2,400 small triangles? Explain your answer. Now, I believe all these I will go through in class. It's just that you don't know how to present sometimes. Okay? Now, I'm going to show the answer now. This one should be no problem on now because it's quite straightforward now. Okay? Now, when you fill in the blanks, okay? When you fill in the blanks, do you get 16, 25, 36, 49, and so on? Yes, right. But it may be the n one that you have problems. But let me teach you something. Do you agree this is 2 square? Yes. 2 square is what? 1 plus 1. What is 9? 3 square, right? So it's 2 plus 1, right? Can you see? Now I'm trying to get common formula for you. Can you see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see it? So it's always plus 1 already, then square, right? Correct? So n. So it's n plus 1 whole thing square, right? Correct? The table with that. Now, then I need to ask this question. If you write like that, cannot? No, why cannot? Because this square will belong to the 1 only, cannot. So it's like that. Are we okay for the table? Are we okay for the table? So, the number or the expression to fill in is n plus 1 squared, correct? Now, next. Number of small triangles in the 20th figure must be 20 plus 1 square, right? So it's 21 square, what's the answer? 441. Do you get it? Do you get it? Okay, huh? Now, then they ask you, what is the value of n when I have 1 to 1 small triangles, right? Okay, all of you look up, huh? So, n plus 1 square is 1 to 1. I will get 10, right? Ultimately, can you see it? Yes or no? Okay. You see, n plus 1 square is 1 to 1. So, n plus 1 will be square root of 1 to 1, right? Correct? So, n plus 1 will be 11 because square root of 1 to 1 is 11, right? Then, up there, I minus 1, I'll get 10. Are we okay? Are we okay? You don't just write down the answer. I'll mark it wrong because I don't see it. Last part. So let's take a look at this. Is there a figure? So I will do this, then I'll take square root. Can you see this is not a positive integer? Then I minus 1, I'll get this, right? So is this a positive integer? No. So there will be no figure with 2400 small triangles. something. What should I add? As what? Yes, as n is not a positive integer. You must add this. That will be your question number 2. Are we okay so far? Are we okay so far? Yes. Okay. Next one is question number 3, right? Okay. Okay, can I move on to number 3? Can I move on to number 3? Yes. Can you stop talking about it? Let's take a look at question number 3. Okay, this is the question. Okay, complete the table. For an expression in terms of n for the number of white cows and the total number of cows. And then find the total number of cows in pattern 32. Will there be a pattern with a total of 501 cows? Explain the answer. Okay. Now this one in the table, it shouldn't be a problem. You should be able to fill in the table. Okay. Now the table should be like this, right? Alright. Do you get this? Yes or no? Do you get this? 5, 6, and 11. Yes? Okay, part 2. Find the expression in terms of n for the number of white tiles in the pattern. Now, I want you to look at white tiles. Now, pattern, if it's 4, it will be 5, right? Talking to you. If it's 3, it's 4, right? If it's 2, is what? 3. If it's 1, it's 2, right? So what if it's n? N plus 1. Alright. Can I get n plus 1? Okay, next one. Pattern n, total number of tiles. Now how to get this? It's actually 2n plus 1, right? Or 1 plus 2n. Agree? Also can. Agree? Yes or no? Yes. But actually how do we do it? It's very easy. This is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5, right? What is term 0? 1, right? Increase by 2, right? So it will be 2n. Correct. The tn will be this. Am I right? Yes or no? Okay, so it's 1 plus 2n or just 2n plus 1. Okay. Last part. Find the total number of tiles, okay, in pattern 32. Now, I show you how I get to n plus 1. Can you see? I think just now I already showed you. Now, pattern 32, I just sub in. Do you get 65 tiles? Yes. Can you get 65 tiles? Okay. Now, let me ask you. Will there be a pattern with a total of 501 tiles? Okay. I solve. I have this. I mixed up something again. What must I add? As what? N is a positive integer. Look at this in. It is compulsory to say that. Question 5 is not difficult, but it's very tedious. Very lost-on, okay? Very mafan also. Okay, long-winded kind of a question. Okay? Alright. Now I just want to know, are you okay so far? Yes, okay, good. Let's take a look at question number 5. Number 5 is a super long-winded complicated question which I also don't like. No choice. No choice. Life goes on. Understand? Okay? Alright. Are we done with this already? Can I remove it? Okay. Let's look at question 5 over here. Oh, it's very small, right? So let me show it's a bit bigger. Okay. Once it's bigger, it's a bit blurred, so I want to focus. Consider the following number pattern. Now, this is called line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, right? Then, am I right? Yes. Alright, now I want to notice about the lines first. All of you must analyze it this way. Okay? And I do not want people to talk when I'm talking, okay? Oh, I push it away already. Oh my god. Okay. Now, can you see all these are square numbers? Alright. Then this one is the square. Can you see or not? So we know how to get some of the values now. Correct? Huh? Okay. Now they tell you, write down the 5th line in the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the 5th line? And all of you tell me. I write over that side so that I won't interfere later. What is line 5? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 equals what? 36 equals what? 6 squared equals to 5 plus 1 7. This should be the 5th line. Is everyone clear? Okay. Given that B is 1, 6, 9, find the values of A, C, and D. Okay. I want to show you the answer. All of you here. Now, the 5th line will be this, right? Correct. It is smaller. Everybody can see now? Now, I'm going to push it down because you can't see the sequence. Okay. If B is 169, that means this one is 169, it will follow that this one is 13, right? Obvious. Alright, just square root will do. If this is 30, how much will be my B? We 12, right? Because 12 plus 1 now. Correct? Okay. Now, if it's the... What is this line? If it's this, right? What will be my value for this A? How would you get the value of A? Now, I'll show you something here, okay? All of you look up here. All of you look up here. I'll show you something here. When this is 2, right? I'll have 2 odd numbers added together. When this is 3, I'll have 3 odd numbers added together. When this is 4, I'll have 4 odd numbers added together. Alright? Okay. Now, then all of you look up. I'm going to put this over here. What if this is 13? Then I have 13 odd numbers, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? So what should be the value of A? 25. Are you clear? Okay. This one we still can miss because it's quite near. Understand what I'm talking about? Can or cannot? Can, huh? Okay. Now, next. Will there be a line in the pattern where A is 86868? A is the last number in this whole thing, right? Can it be even? No. So you must say no. As A must be an odd number, correct? And 86868 is an even number, so cannot. Do you understand what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? There's no need to solve in this case. Just look at it. Am I right? Because it's addition of all odd numbers. Follow us. talking to you. Okay, good. Alright. The problem will not be all these, it will be question number 6. Question number 6, because they write it vertically, that's why you're all confused. You try writing it horizontally, you'll be okay. Alright, but I'm going to show you. Are we okay with question number 5? Are we okay with question number 5? Okay, let's move on to question number 6. Okay, I'm going to show you question number 6. Okay, not the whole question yet, but I'm going to show you here. All of you read first. How do I know this right? I'll tell you later, okay? All of you look at the bottom. Elmo opens an account in an investment fund that pays a fixed amount of bonus at the end of each year. Mind you, is at the end of each year. Understand? That means at the end of year 1, what's the amount? At the end of year 2, what's the amount? At the end of year 3, what's the amount? Understand? Talking to you. Okay. Now, the table shows the amount of money in his account at the end of each year. Okay. Now, copy and complete the table. This is where students get stuck and don't know what to do. Okay. All of you look up here first. If I write horizontally, it will be T1, T2, T3, right? T3 is what? 93, 280. What is my T4? 95040. What is my T5? 96800. What is my T6? 98560, right? Now, for those who have done right, can you tell me from one term to the other, what do I add? You add 1760, right? Do you agree that you add 1760 for each term? Okay. So, how do I get this one? Minus 1760. So what should it be? 91520, right? Okay. Then, how do I get back this one? 89760, right? Are you clear now? I'm talking to you. Stop laughing over there. Are you clear now? So that's how I fill in the blanks. Okay, but is this guy that will have a problem, right? Yeah. My next term. Okay, so what is my Tn? Now, what do you think will be my T0? This one I will minus 1760. Okay, so 8800, right? Okay, so my Tn term will be 88000 plus 1760 times 999. Do you all agree? Yeah. Now, you are confused or you can't do this one. 1, 2, 3, you want to get up? Kevin, KS, and Zalinda? Yes, not Zalinda, sorry. DC, you want to get up? If you want to talk, just get up. Your number pattern 1, 2, 3. The 1, 2, 3, up. She didn't say anything. Okay, sorry for scolding mommy. The two of you want to get up. Don't want to look at what? Now, you cannot say, I write horizontally, I can see. But vertically, I cannot see. You're supposed to know how to translate it. Understand? Yes or no here? Yes, Okay, good. Now, so I'm going to show you the answer. First one will be 89760, 91520. Is this correct? Yes. Then the last one will be this one. Alright now? Yes. Now, how did I get it? I already show you over here. Actually, I show you on the board already, but I just want it to be in different colors. I'm going to print this off. Okay, so do you agree that Tn will be this? Everybody okay? Okay. Albert wants to close the investment account once the amount it exceeds 120,000. What do you mean by exceed? More than. Okay. After how many years will he close the account? Okay, I want you to look at this one. No. This one is, they want how many years? Okay, all of you look up. I will use this one equals to 120,000, right? Talking to the plus. Then I leave this here, I minus, I get this, right? Correct now? So I will get n equals to this divided by this, I'll get 18 2 over 11, right? That means when the year is 18 2 over 11, then it will reach this amount, you know. Correct? That means it's more than what? More than 18 years, right? Correct? So after how many years? 19. So it must be after 19 years. You cannot say after 18 years because it has not exceeded 120,000 yet. This is the important part. Understand? This is the important part. Okay? Can you please take it down? Okay, take this down. This one is still about 75. N times then minus this. So you will still get that answer. Because you cannot really like the 75 times. Okay? Answer already.